U.S. company developing a multitope synthetic peptide-based vaccine to fight COVID-19 COVAXX announced a global logistics partnership with Maersk, one of the world's largest shipping and integrated logistics providers. The agreement lays out a framework for all transportation and supply chain services that will be needed to deliver COVAXX's vaccine candidate UB612 around the world, once approved by regulatory authorities. Financial terms of the agreement are not disclosed. The mission of COVAXX is to defeat COVID-19 and ultimately democratize health worldwide. Maersk will help fulfill this mission by overseeing all logistics activities to ensure efficient transportation to developing countries. The agreement provides for end-to-end supply chain management, packing and shipping, via air or ocean, ground transportation, warehouse storage and distribution to facilities to support COVAXX's requirements for a pharmaceutical-grade, temperature-controlled supply chain. COVAXX is planning to manufacture 100 million doses of UB612 during early 2021 and 1 billion doses by the end of 2021. The design of the vaccine components will allow for the use of existing cold chain storage and distribution channels, as the COVAXX vaccine does not require additional infrastructure such as -880°C freezers or liquid nitrogen tanks to store materials at extreme temperatures. COVAXX is developing UB612 using a high-precision, synthetic peptide platform to activate both B-cell and T-cell arms. The investigational vaccine is designed to mimic natural biology, and preclinical studies have shown high immunogenicity and levels of neutralizing titers against SARS-CoV-2. The technology platform has been successful in commercializing blood diagnostics as well as safe and effective vaccines for infectious disease and animal health, and has been tested in numerous clinical trials for other indications to date. COVAXX is currently conducting Phase 1 clinical trials of UB612 in Taiwan and has an agreement with the University of Nebraska Medical Center to conduct Phase 2 trials in the United States. Upon regulatory approval, the company has advanced pre-commitments for over 100 million doses of UB612 around the globe. In September, COVAXX announced an agreement with DASA, the largest diagnostic medical company in Brazil, to conduct a large-scale human efficacy clinical trial in Brazil. COVAXX plans to manufacture and deliver up to 100 million doses of an effective COVID-19 vaccine to patients in 1Q 2021 and up to 1 billion doses by the end of 2021. The company will leverage its existing and proven internal manufacturing capability, supply chain and experience in delivering proven, high-volume, cost-effective vaccines at scale. As part of COVAXX's roadmap for delivering its first 100 million doses with maximal impact, the company is establishing a vaccine prioritization advisory group composed of ethicists, regulators, virologists, epidemiologists, economists and more. The purpose of this group is to advise the company leadership on criteria and guidelines for prioritizing the deployment of vaccine doses. COVAXX is a division of United Biomedical. With a 30-year history in creating vaccines, UB has commercialized over 500 million doses annually and 5 billion doses cumulatively in animal health indications for infectious disease. The vaccine platform is fully synthetic and carries no biohazard risk since it does not use any live virus for its manufacturing. It is also highly scalable, cost-effective to manufacture, and can produce hundreds of millions of doses in a very short period of time. The vaccine technology has successfully been tested in 4 clinical trials for highly complex indications in the elderly, Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases, with over 98% response rate for functional antibody generation and excellent safety and tolerability in vaccinated subjects.